Start the dream. Together, shoulder to shoulder. Rise the future. Henan Mine Crane Company Limited, the force to lift the future. At the bank of the Yellow River, in central plains of China, there emerges a graceful and elegant land, bringing up talented people from generation to generation, i.e. Changyuan County. The diligent and simple Changyuan people continue the glory and dream of the home of China Crane. Founded in 2002, Henan Mine Crane Company Limited takes the creation of value, the pursuit of excellence, and the service towards the society as its mission, sticks to the R&D and production of crane equipment, and makes innovation centering on the needs of customers, so as to provide its customers with customized products, services, and solutions. Through the development of more than 10 years, Henan Mine Crane has increased the number of its employees from 80 to over 2,700, expanded its floor space from lower than 40,000 meters square to 68,000 meters square, and made breakthrough of its sales volume from 0 to 2 billion yuan. The company has developed into a large-scale enterprise group integrating design, research and development, manufacture, sales, installation, and service, with the main products including 5 series with nearly 100 varieties, such as electric hoist, single girder or double girder bridge crane, and etc., which are widely used in the fields such as machinery, metallurgy, electric power, railway, water conservancy, port, aviation, military industry, vehicles, shipping, petroleum, chemical engineering, tabulation and coal, etc. As a company continuing to focus on customers' needs and carrying out continuous innovation, Henan Mine Crane firstly established the R&D Center for crane design compared with those in the same industry in China, attracting the top-class talents within the industry, and have obtained more than 140 patents successively. Based on digesting and absorbing the advanced design idea and manufacturing technology of cranes from domestic and overseas, the R&D Center strives to the retrofit design of electric hoist, single girder, and double girder cranes, and create new products successful, such as the new type crane, trolley, winch type, steel structure design, and trolley, new type hoist, etc. The company also invests a large amount of money in the purchase of more than 1,300 suits of high-end, exquisite, and advanced equipment, introduces the weldless cover plate and the production line of one-time forming slitting line of weldless U-groove, and eventually achieves the automatic production of single beam. Besides, in China, Henan Mine Crane has the advanced production line of steel pretreatment, V-method cast steel production line, the production line used for the decoiling, leveling, and shearing of large steel, plasma CNC cutting, large-scale floor type borer, CNC gear shaper, vertical machining center, and heat treatment CNC quenching machining tool, etc. It also researches and develops double beam and main beam hydraulic resistance welding machines in the advanced level of China, and adopts the automatic systems such as hydraulic pressure and electromagnetism, etc., which all help the company both achieve the weldless double beam plate less than 80 ton and meet the demand of welding of different height of box beams. It researches and develops the National Advanced Main Beam Welding Manipulator with Shanghai WTL together, achieving the one-time welding of 4 main welding lines of the single beam. According to the requirement of lean production management, Henan Mine Crane started and put the automated single beam production project into use, and finished the modification of comprehensively mass-produced end beam workshop in 2014. With the cooperation of BMHRI, Beijing Materials Handling Research Institute, and foreign experts, the company optimizes the technological process of single beam production and creatively designs and develops the flexible production mode of one-piece flow used for single beam welding assembly, which not only reduces the production cost, but also greatly improves the production efficiency and product quality. So far, Henan Mine Crane has stepped further towards the world advanced level with regard to the crane manufacturing process technology. At the same time, the European-style crane project, with the annual output of 5,000 sets, suits, under the cooperation with DMAG Cranes AG, will also achieve the full Europeanization of domestic crane, which lays a good foundation for the development, transformation, and upgrade of crane industry in Changyuan County. With leading technological superiority and advanced production equipment, the mechanization and automation degree of Henan Mine Crane plays a leading role in the same industry so that the labor intensity is declined by 25%, the energy consumption by 18%, and the welding quantity by 25%, while the metal structure strength is raised by 5%, which forcefully strengthens the reliability and safety factors of products. Meanwhile, it lays a solid foundation for the achievement of the one-piece flow for double beam production by increasing the investment of infrastructure construction of plants, completing the 8-bridging workshop with the area of over 30,000 meters square, the 6-bridging workshop with the floor area of over 20,000 meters square, and the automation 3-dimensional storehouse, etc. Sticking to the optimal procurement of raw materials and parts and components globally, Henan Mine Crane continues the wide and deep cooperation with the well-known transnational enterprises such as Siemens and SEW in Germany, Schneider in France, and ABB in Switzerland, etc., to make innovations in technical details of electric control and mechanical transmission, in the process of thoroughly executing the production, manufacture, and inspection of quality, environment, occupational health of employees, and security system. Henan Mine Crane carries out all-around monitoring and inspection towards 130 main control nodes, such as surface pretreatment of material shot blasting, welding, geometrical size control, and machinery fitting, etc. It sticks to the procedure of 3 inspections, which are self-inspection, mutual inspection, and special inspection. Meanwhile, it pays attention to the whole machine experiment after the completion of production, and also keeps the production and inspection records of each crane so as to ensure the integrity of quality records. Based on over 10 years of accumulation, Henan Mine Crane rises abruptly. Henan Mine Crane manufactures 80-ton double-beam bridge crane for Shanghai Bao Steel Group, designs and manufactures the double-beam gantry crane used for shipbuilding with the span of 100 meter for Wuhan Haimingxin Group, produces 280-ton 4-beam casting crane for Tangshan Yanshan Iron and Steel Company Limited, and also manufactures QD 320-ton double-beam electric crane for Weihai Chemical Machinery Company Limited. Metro Specialized Gantry Cranes, manufactured for China Railway Engineering Corporation, China Railway Tunnel Group, and China State Construction Engineering Corporation. These kinds of cranes not only make up for the domestic blanks in the aspects of specification parameter and the integrated application of new techniques, which make the overall technology reach the leading level in the industry, but also it manifests the domineering influence of excellent quality and performance, so as to establish the market position and competitive advantages in the design and manufacturing field of large tonnage crane of Henan Mine Crane. With the continuously stable quality and Excelsior products, Henan Mine Crane always sticks to the quality assurance and service commitment made towards its customers, offers full sets of solutions from whole machine to spare parts, and from pre-sale technical support to after-sale follow-up service. In a continuous pursuit of faster, more reliable and satisfactory service, Henan Mine Crane serves all walks of life around the world sincerely and helps customers with their success. From Ansteel, Bao Steel, Baotou Steel, Nan Steel, Jiu Steel, Panggang, CREC, MCC, China Coal, China Tunnel, CSCEC, China Water, CNPC, Sinopec Group, China Huanneng, China Datang, China Huadian, China State Power, Chinese Electric Power Investment, from west-east natural gas transmission, south to north water diversion, and Xiaolangdi Hydroelectric Power Station, to Jiuquan Satellite Launch Center and Sanmen Nuclear Power Plant, and countries from Australia, India, Thailand, and Vietnam to Pakistan, Russia, Turkmenistan, Peru, and Brazil, etc. Under the support and trust of customers, Henan Mine Crane has won the laurels of famous trademark of China, famous brand products of Henan Province, award of mayor quality in Xinjiang, and top 10 famous crane brands in China, in succession, and has also gotten more than 100 honors successively, such as Enterprise Keeping the Contract and Emphasizing the Credit, and Advanced Unit in Quality and Management, etc. In addition, it has won the titles of Vice Chairman Unit of China's Heavy Machinery Association and Member Unit of China's Crane Industry Association. The lean production and management proposed by the company not only promotes Henan Mine Crane to upgrade from extensive form to intensive form, from tradition to modernization, and from China to the world by leaps and bounds, but also helps the company win the Equipment Contractor Registration Certificate issued by Chinese PLA General Armament Department, the Qualified Supplier Certificate issued by China National Nuclear Corporation, and the Demonstration Enterprise in the demonstration area of famous brands in gantry and bridge crane machinery industry successively. It successfully awarded the title of China's Benchmarking Enterprise in the Industrial and Enterprise Quality in 2014. Besides, the company is evaluated by China Heavy Machinery Industry Association, CHMIA, and CHMIA Bridge Crane Specialized Committee as an enterprise in the first place compared with those in the same industry of China, with regard to the output and sales volume and market share of Kangyuan single beam and double beam cranes and gantry and bridge cranes for a succession of 3 years. The steady and rapid development of Henan Mine has been concerned about China's mainstream media CCTV news network. And in the year 09 of August, the company's development trend of large coverage. Based on the consistent persistence, the enterprise culture full of faith and self-discipline and social commitment formed powerful cohesive force and centripetal force, which leads Henan Mine Crane to make progress continuously. In the process of exploration and creation, the company spares no effort to establish the core values, namely returning to shareholders and benefiting the society with users as the source and employees as the basis. Adhering to the idea of benefiting the native place and the ideal of serving the country through industry, Henan Mine Crane takes the regurgitation feeding of society as its own responsibility to transfer and absorb more than 2,000 local surplus labors. At the same time, it not only allocates over 1.5 million yuan to subsidize the households enjoying the 5 guarantees, poverty-stricken households, the elderly without family, the sick and the disabled, and the charity organizations in Changyuan County, etc. in succession, but also donates over 2 million yuan to Wenchuan earthquake, Yushu earthquake, the flood prevention and goods donation of Weizhuang town, and the drainage of stagnant water carried out by local people. Since the establishment of Education Assistance Foundation in 2004, it has allocated more than 10 million yuan to subsidize over 1,500 impoverished college students and donated an aggregate amount of more than 23 million yuan to the educational business and new rural construction in Changyuan County and the construction of Safe Changyuan. For more than a decade, people from Henan Mine Crane stick to fulfill the philanthropic act of giving back to society with broad and profound love, which leads to the triple win situation of the masses, the enterprise, and the local. Meanwhile, it shows a harmonious development and emotional song of praise for Central Plains with great virtue, great righteousness, and great love. Every day, we lighten the life through passion. Every day, we fulfill the dream through struggle. Every day, we create the resplendence through persistence. Every day, people from Henan Mine Crane patiently listen to the needs of customers, respond to their needs timely, and make innovations industriously through over 380 sales and service agencies all over the world, so as to continuously provide excellent products and innovative services for its customers on the basis of sincerity and good faith. Quality forges the brand. Sincerity creates the future. Henan Mine Crane Group.